Okay, today I'll be presenting two new major features from the AI analyst that we worked really hard on this week. And the first feature will be streaming. And what is streaming, you might ask? Streaming is a fancy word of how the new chat interface is going to feel from now on, because everything is going to be much, much faster. All results will be streamed to you. And this kind of work will allow us to make the app feel more interactive rather than tasking the agent going back in the background and not hearing any feedback for 30 seconds, and then agent getting back to you with an answer. Instead, it will feel more interactive. So let me demonstrate that. I'm going to start by asking what kind of explores do you see? And as I type that, it will start streaming the results. Don't mind the latency of my internet, but I think analytics instance, for example, should feel much faster. And then let's ask further, what kind of fields do you see inside the orders table? And I hope you see the results stream through as the agent is coming up with the answer. And yeah, this is streaming. You might have seen also a tiny progress identification on top of the message bar when it started to display the reasoning behind what it was actually doing. So let me demonstrate this further with next feature that I'm going to demonstrate. And I'll be asking an agent to build me a bar chart of orders over time in the last 8 years to showcase this new feature, which we call how it's calculated. As you can see, as the agent is building the query, it gives you feedback what it's up to. And once it's done, it's going to stream all the results and then generate you the chart. And the feature is how it's calculated. So you can actually see all the things that it did in the background. And this is just the beginning. So imagine this to be streamed in real time as well, and also have much more depth in the reasoning of the agent. This is all that I wanted to demonstrate.